Okay, your customer just sent over this CAD model of a part he would like your shop to quote. The issue is, you don't have CAD-CAM. So how can you review the model, create a machining cycle time, and calculate a complete quotation to send back to the client? KIPWARE software has you covered, and in this short video, we'll show you how easy it is with KIPWARE. The first thing we'll do is fire up eDrawings. eDrawings is a free CAD model viewer created by the makers of SolidWorks. With eDrawings, you can completely review the model, even use the measure tool to see the actual measurements of the features of the part that you will need to machine. After reviewing the part and creating a machining strategy that fits your shop and your equipment, you can easily use KIPWARE CYC to calculate a machining cycle time. Stepping through the part with KIPWARE CYC, you will create an accurate cycle time that truly reflects your shop, your capabilities, and your processes. With an accurate machining time calculated, you can import that KIPWARE CYC estimate into KIPWARE QTE. QTE will then auto-calculate all the labor costs based on your equipment being used and the hourly rates and efficiency factors for that equipment. From there, inside QTE, you can include material cost, perishable tooling costs, and all non-machining costs, like deburring or plating or anodizing, to create a complete quotation to send off to your client. When you win the contract, you can auto-generate a routing sheet from KIPWARE CYC that will provide a roadmap for programming and setup personnel to follow to ensure that estimated criteria and processes are actually reflected on your shop floor. Using KIPWARE Conversational CAM, you can create G-code faster and easier than any CAD-CAM system, and you're off and running. Running your shop efficiently doesn't have to be rocket science. It's time for a revolution. Time to end subscription fees, end the cloud-based BS, end confusing interfaces, and end the steep learning curves. See what real-world software development looks like. Explore KIPWARE at www.kipware.com.